Hello everyone, I'm Andre McClendon, and today I bring you EOS. I'll be sharing 3 simple things about this cryptocurrency, the market information, the news, and a price prediction at the end. Let's begin. Here's EOS, ticker EOS, currently at $4.98 with a market cap at $4.83 billion. Now guys, before trading this or hodling this, we need to know what it is. EOS is a platform that is designed to allow developers to build decentralized apps known as dApps. The project's goal is relatively simple: to make it as straightforward as possible for programmers to embrace the blockchain technology. So now guys, let's see what markets they're on. They're in Binance, Huobi Global, Coinbase Exchange, Gate.io, BitThumb, Binance, once again, KuCoin, Bitfinex, and Kraken and Coin1. They're on a whole bunch of exchanges, so if you're looking at trading or hodling this, that is available. They have a market cap that, for those that are pretty big, there's a lot of trading volume happening, so there's options for you to get involved. So let's just look at their price ratings, guys. So Symmetry gives them a B- as of July 2nd, 2019. If you want more information about that, I will have it linked below if you want to read it. Stable Outlook gives them a double B. So if you guys want to read more, have a link below. Now, when it comes to updated news off of CoinMarketCap, I didn't really find much that was really relevant just to EOS. But I found an article that they just posted on their Twitter page, which I will share with you guys in a bit. But here's their webpage, guys. Once again, a very fabulous looking website. Please check it out before, if you guys are going to trade or hodl this or get involved with this cryptocurrency. Educate yourself. Now, let's get to their Twitter page, guys. So here's their Twitter, a lot of followers, 250,000 followers. Here's this thing about them posting a new training in Spanish. So they want more programmers to be knowledgeable about their platform. So check it out if you know Spanish and you want to be able to learn how to program this or have more training with it. Please check that out. Also follow me on Twitter as Andre J. McClendon. Now guys, here's that article. If you guys want to check it out, once again, link below. And here's your last thing. This is their Reddit. If you guys want to check out their Reddit, if you guys are on that platform, want to talk to more people about this cryptocurrency, this is a spot for you. And lastly, guys, let's get to the price prediction. This is an updated price prediction. Yeah, no stuttering. So let's get to that price prediction. So my last video I made about this, we were at $4.60 and now we're at $4.90. So we have some cushion, we have some gain if you entered in that point, if you did or not. But from then I'm going to continue on. So we're going to the $8.50. Get it right, arrow. So what I'm going to be doing in this one is talking about what's going to probably happen once this candle fulfills, because now we're about halfway done with the month. If we continue going and the month fills as a green bar as a bull and continues on, we got to be very aware of the $6.70 little high right here and this high right here. Once we get to that high, let me see, grab this right here, we might have some deflection down. This might be a pullback and be a better opportunity for people to either double down, get in another position. You know, if you're dollar cost averaging, also if you're hodling, or if you're trading another position so you can hit that swing to get into it again. So if it does go from the current price, all $4.98, hits this area right here and has a deflection, right? I mean, people are taking off profits, which is fine. That's what you're supposed to do. I will be looking at re-entering, like I said before, re-entering off my position and getting on the pullback higher. So this does take a lot more risk. I prefer trading much more than I do hodling. But if I'm going to do both, you know, I'm going to make sure that one, I'm going to enter on a very small lot size or small position. So when I'm trading, if it moves a lot, just say the movement down is a lot more than I expect, do a small lot size or a small entry so you don't get stopped out. You can handle the big swings. And then when it hits up, let's say it hits at $8.50, you can move your stop above your entry, locking in those profits, making sure that you don't get stopped out. So if it does come smacking you down, coming down, it only hits your stop, taking you out with a profit on both positions. So the price prediction is $8.50. There's a multiple entry here, and I'm going to dollar cost average all the way through. Now, let's talk about there's a possibility if something wrong happened. Let's say if all bad things happen. If it does do that on our second scenario down here, our same scenario, let's say it goes, we go from here. If it goes to the current price and heads down, just say it goes down to the $2 level, much lower. What I would anticipate is that a lot more people will be buying at that point, and might slow down, go down from this current price, slow down. I will dollar cost average all the way through, and I use the same example I've done in other videos. If I get paid $500 every Friday, I will use $100 out of that paycheck and put it to EOS every single Friday, removing the emotional part in trading, and then at these, if it goes down from this current price of $4.98 and heads down to the $2, I will take off 50% on each position. So if I'm hodling, so good examples of this. If I enter at the $2 level, if it hits $3, I'm going to exit some of my position, a hodl position, exit more and exit more and exit more. So and this is not, and a lot of people don't understand this part, you need to take profits. If you're not taking profits and you're just hodling forever, if all the bad things in the markets happen all at once, you might not ever get your capital out, or you might pull out with a negative. And it's better to pull out a profit, even if it's small profit. A win is a win. And if it does go down to the $2 level, which is fine, because remember, can't always be right in markets, and it heads back to the $8 level, then we can end multiple positions up by different buy stops. And I'll do an updated video based on that. If it does that secondary option, heads down, enter a multiple, have a buy limit or market entry, and multiple buy stops for the trading position. If we're hodling, dollar cost average. So guys, that's my price prediction, $8.50. If any questions or comments, please drop them below, and we'll have that conversation. But let's get to my website, guys, and the new updates that I put for it. So here's the new front page, guys. And let's head directly to the crypto portion. So I put the chat in there, guys. If you guys want to talk in there, it's very easy. You guys can just hit guest. You guys can put your username. You can put, let's see. I can put Andre McClendon. That's for me. Image URL, whatever. Hit login. It's pretty easy to start. You can say hi. Have a conversation with people on there. Also, I put some crypto stuff on there. You can have a chart, look at EOS while talking to people. Just an open platform for you to have conversations about cryptocurrency. If you guys looking at starting some accounts, I have an account where you get a free stock. It has some free crypto from Coinbase, and also one from FX Choice, the broker that I use for Forex trading. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.